Hi, this is Subrat Bainipati, and I personally thank you for registering for our upcoming shoulder pain workshop. This is going to be awesome. I'm going to share some cool stuff with you. In the workshop, I'm going to show you how to make the right decision about your shoulder pain. That is going to save you a ton of money and save you time. And also how this is going to help you to get back to your life naturally. You better be ready because this workshop is highly interactive and you learn things you probably never heard before. You'll also get a chance to share your story. You get to hear from the other shoulder pain sufferer. I'm going to show you a live demonstration on a volunteer with one form of our natural treatment. But right now, I want to go over something with you that is really important. It is simply, is this workshop is for you. The first question I'll ask, because of shoulder pain, what you have missed last week? Sleep? Playing with your grandchildren? Maybe you have avoided fishing trip or vacation. Answer this question now. My second question, can you remember how your pain got started? 9 out of 10 times, you cannot pinpoint how your pain has started, or you will say something vague, like lifting a grocery bag or slept wrong. The fact is, pain is a process. One thing leads to another. So if we know the process, we can reverse the process naturally without the help of medication, injection, or surgery. In the workshop, I'll share with you 3 most common causes for shoulder pain and why taking pain medication to manage your shoulder pain is a bad idea. Also, I'll share with you just plain X-ray is much more valuable than taking expensive MRIs. That's all for today, and I'll see you at the shoulder pain workshop.